Hi folks, and welcome to DevTrends. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Edge switching to Chromium and a library for speeding up website navigation called quicklink. So we can say with confidence that Microsoft Edge is in its prime these days. It is no more associated with the burden of Internet Explorer past, is actively developed and has been supporting almost all modern web standards. And now Microsoft team makes another huge step towards open standards with moving Edge engine to Chromium compatible web platform. And in their official announcement, Microsoft said that early preview build of Edge with the new core will be available in early 2019. And how this thing is really oriented more on developers than on end users. It is really great that now, when developing websites and apps, we have one less platform to worry about. But some developers are concerned that this step will raise Google's monopoly in the web even more, leaving Firefox as the only alternative browser in terms of engine. Because even given the fact that Chromium is an open source project, it is still almost completely being created by Google employees. Now, however, Microsoft devs also joined and are already actively contributing to Chromium core, so let's just assume everything will be alright as it was. So Microsoft itself believes that switch to Chromium will help Edge to align better with web standards, make more frequent releases, and last but not least bring Microsoft Edge to Mac OS, which is quite an accomplishment itself. And we as web developers believe that Microsoft has truly good intentions, at least because of, VS Code, TypeScript and MDM web docs. So Google is well known, among other things, for creating and pushing best web development standards related to performance and optimizations. And there is a special GitHub account named Google Chrome Labs, which consists of various tools and libraries from Google Dev team, many of which are aimed specifically on improving web browsing experience for end users. And another resident of this list, which is recently hit version 1, is called quicklink. So quicklink is a small, it's less than 1 kilobyte library for boosting website navigation through prefetching subsequent pages. It looks on user's viewport, detects links in it through Intersection Observer API, and prefetches URLs to these links when browser is idle, so without blocking UI rendering and other important tasks. It has pretty simple API, is small and works both for static websites and single-page applications. So now let's see how it works in practice. So for it, let's create a new folder. Let's call it quicklink demo. Let's init new npm project here. Okay, and let's install quicklink. Okay, you see it's version 1.0. And let's create some bootstrap for this our little project. Let's do index.html. Let's make some other pages, for example, foo HTML, bar HTML, and let's create our core index.js file for this. Okay. Let's save it. Okay, let's probably just add a folder here as a project. Don't save. So here is it. So all we're gonna do for this demo is to add some links. Let it be in navigation. Let's make some a ref to another page of our website, to foo HTML, for example. Okay, let's make some pretty layout. And let's create another link with bar HTML here. Okay, let's save it. Here let's just do h1 full, and here let's do, for example, h3 bar. Okay, and here we'll go will have these links. Go to full and go to bar. Saving, and here we just import our quicklink and from and just use it, like call as method. Of course, you can just include this library via script and put this code here, just quicklink it will be, but we'll bootstrap through parcel, so we got all the dependencies automatically included from node modules, so we don't need to provide our script tag right in index.html. So let's now start our project with parcel bundler. Again, let's go to localhost 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you see our links. Let's go to full, working, go to bar, working, okay. And let's just open our DevTools and see what we got here. Let's switch to network panel and let's check if our navigation works. I think we got all these things covered. Let's just double check it. Okay, for HTML, bar HTML. Okay, I just forgot to include our main JS script here. So let's include index.js. Parcel will rebuild it. Okay, let's reload. And we can see that our quicklinks works. And you can see the pages that are in viewport, so the links to these pages that are in current user's viewport are prefetched, and you can see this request coming to full and bar HTML and getting these pages. So when we navigate to this page, all the content is automatically prefetched, and you will see that navigation is a lot faster now for these pages. So quicklink has plenty of options. You can set timeout, you can bind your watching scope to some DOM element and other great options, and it's very simple to use and has very simple API, and overall is very small library. It's almost 1 kilobyte zipped. That's all for today, folks. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay trendy.